Cadets. Today's our lecture topic is Quadrilateral Security Dialogue. The Quadrilateral Security Dialogue is an informal strategic forum comprising India, the United States, Japan, and Australia. It aims to promote a free, open, and rules-based Indo-Pacific region, counterbalance China's growing influence, and foster cooperation in areas like security, technology, and disaster response. Historical background. In 2004, Quad emerged from the joint response to the Indian Ocean tsunami, where India, the US, Japan, and Australia coordinated relief efforts. 2007 initiated as a formal dialogue by Japanese PM Shinzo Abe, but it lost momentum due to Australia's withdrawal under Chinese pressure. In 2017, Quad was revived amid growing concerns over China's aggressive policies, including its militarization of the South China Sea and Belt and Road Initiative. In 2020, the Quad gained prominence during the COVID-19 pandemic, focusing on supply chain resilience and vaccine distribution. The objective of Quad: free and open Indo-Pacific, ensure freedom of navigation, adherence to international law, and open trade routes in the Indo-Pacific region. Second, counter China, strategically address China's assertive policies, such as its expansionist activities in the South China Sea and Indo-Pacific. Third, regional security, collaborate on maritime security, counter-terrorism, and cyber security. Fourth, climate and technology, promote clean energy, technological innovation, and climate resilience in the region. The key areas of cooperation. First, maritime security. The Quad conducts joint naval exercises like Malabar exercise, enhancing interoperability and ensuring security in critical waterways such as the Strait of Malacca. For example, the 2020 Malabar exercise marked Australia's return, with all four members participating to demonstrate maritime strength. Second, supply chain resilience. Diversifying supply chains to reduce dependence on China for critical goods like semiconductors, rare earths, and medical supplies. For example, the Quad Supply Chain Resilience Initiative aims to strengthen regional manufacturing capabilities. Third, COVID-19 and vaccine diplomacy. Quad countries collaborated to supply vaccines to Indo-Pacific nations under the Quad Vaccine Partnership, using India's manufacturing capacity and US, Japan, Australia funding. Fourth, technology and innovation. Focus on cybersecurity, 5G networks, and AI development to ensure secure digital infrastructure in member nations. For example, the Quad announced the Critical and Emerging Technology Working Group to counter Chinese dominance in 5G and AI technologies. Fifth, climate change. Collaborative projects on clean energy, disaster resilience, and sustainable infrastructure development. The example is the Quad Climate Working Group was formed to tackle climate risks in vulnerable Indo-Pacific nations. The challenges faced by Quad. First, perception as an anti-China bloc. While Quad insists it's not against any country, China perceives it as a containment strategy, leading to diplomatic tensions. Second, divergent priorities. Member countries have different regional challenges and strategic interests, which may hinder coordinated action. Third, non-military focus. Despite joint naval drills, Quad lacks a formal military alliance like NATO, limiting its deterrence capabilities. Fourth, China economic leverages. China's economic ties with Quad members, especially Australia and Japan, complicate efforts to counter Beijing. So, Australia's reliance on Chinese trade has faced challenges due to diplomatic disputes, exposing economic vulnerabilities. Now, India's role in Quad. Maritime power. India's strategic location in Indian Ocean makes it a critical player in securing Indo-Pacific trade routes. Second, balancing act. India balances its Quad involvement with its non-alignment policies and relations with China, despite border tensions like the Galwan clash. Now, third, leadership in vaccine diplomacy. India's pharmaceutical capacity played a vital role in Quad's vaccine initiative. The strategic importance of Quad. First, Indo-Pacific security. Ensures capability and counter China's dominance in the region. Second, economic and technological growth. boost cooperation in trade, innovation, and digital infrastructure. Third, multilateralism strengthens partnerships among democracies, emphasizing shared values and rule-based global order. Now, recent developments. In 2021 Quad Leaders Summit, leaders pledged cooperation in COVID-19 recovery, emerging technologies, and climate action. 2022 initiative. The Quad launched the Indo-Pacific Partnership for Maritime Domain Awareness to monitor illegal activities in regional waters. Quad Fellowship Program, announced to promote academic exchange in STEM fields among member countries. Now, conclusion. The Quad represents a strategic partnership focused on ensuring a free, open, and secure Indo-Pacific region. While it faces challenges, its growing collaboration in defense, technology, and climate highlights its potential as a stabilizing force in global geopolitics. As a collective, it is a symbol of cooperation among like minded democracies to address 21st century challenges. Thank you.